Thank you for agreeing to share your expertise with our South Dakota 4-H members by serving as a judge for a South Dakota 4-H contest. 4-H encourages all its members to continue to make the best better. An important step in this process is receiving feedback on their projects from judges like you.
Today, we would like to review the ribbon placing system that South Dakota 4-H uses to indicate the quality of a 4-H member's exhibit. In South Dakota, we use the Danish system of judging to assign one of 4 color ribbons: white, red, blue, and purple. In the Danish system of judging, we do not judge projects by comparing it to one another. Instead, we look at standards and determine if exhibitors meet or exceed those standards. The scorecards provided to you by the 4-H staff in charge of the contest will provide you with the standards to aid your decision. Today, we will start at the lowest placing ribbon, white, and work our way up to the top ribbon, purple.
White ribbons should be given when the exhibit meets few standards and lacks the quality necessary for higher recognition. The exhibitor cannot adequately explain what, how, and why of the exhibit. Possibly, they have overlooked a safety flaw. Improvement is needed either in the exhibit, the knowledge of the subject, or both.
Red ribbons indicate that the exhibit meets some standards. The exhibitor can somewhat explain what, how, and why the exhibit was done and has a fair knowledge of the subject. Some improvements may be needed to the exhibit in order to earn a blue ribbon.
Blue ribbons are awarded when the exhibit meets most standards. The exhibitor can explain what, how, and why the exhibit was done and has a very good knowledge on the exhibit. The exhibit is very well done and very well organized, but is not quite deserving enough of a purple ribbon.
A purple ribbon should be given when the exhibit meets all the standards. The exhibitor has shown complete understanding of what, how, and why the exhibit was done, and has a thorough knowledge of the subject. The exhibit and workmanship are extraordinary and need no improvement.
Just because 2 members bring in the same project, say a loaf of banana bread, they might not necessarily receive the same colored ribbon because of the quality of their respective projects when judged against the standards. Remember, the purpose of the Danish system is to judge the project against the standards, not against other projects.
Some county achievement days or state-level 4-H contests may ask you to also award special ribbons. Follow the instructions given to you by the 4-H personnel who are facilitating the judging on how those ribbons should be awarded. No matter what the ribbon placing is, an essential part of your role as a judge is to provide feedback on how the project can or should be improved. This allows members to expand their knowledge of the project area. Providing positive and age-appropriate feedback is the best way to help a 4-H member grow as a person and in their chosen 4-H project area.
Thank you again for giving your time and expertise to the South Dakota 4-H program. If you have any further questions about South Dakota 4-H, feel free to visit our website, extension.sdstate.edu/South-Dakota-4-H.